this is the second part of our video on the expansion and factorization of quadratic expressions, right? So in this video we will do the question number 11 to 20. Yeah. Alright, let's get going. So we will expand this as per normal, right? So 2a multiplied by negative 3a give you negative 2 times 3 is 6a, and a is a squared, right? 4a squared positive, and 4 times 3 is negative 12, right? And of course the plus there, and 2a multiplied by 1, and after that you do 2a times negative 3a. So 2a and 1 is 2a, positive 2a and negative 3 is negative 2 times 3 is 6a squared, 1 and negative 1 and positive 1 is negative 1, negative 1 and negative 3a is positive 3a. Alright, okay, shall we proceed? Right, so we just combine the negative 6a here, negative 6a squared plus 4a squared is negative 2a squared, negative 2a squared and negative 6a squared, so negative 8a squared. And we have 2a here and 3a positive, both positive, so positive 5a, right? And negative 12 and negative 1, so negative 13. That's all, right? We can proceed anymore, can we? Okay, we go to number 12. Okay, as per normal we just expand this as per normal. 4x and 4x give you positive 16x squared, and multiply by 5 give you positive 4 times 5 20x, negative 3 times 4 give you negative 12x, right? And negative 3 times negative 5, positive 5 give you negative 15. Yeah. Okay, then the bottom one, we will write the bottom, the next one we write bottom. Negative and positive give you negative 3 times 5 15, negative 15, right? And negative is positive, 2 times 3 is 6x, and negative is positive 3x squared, right? And after that we combine them, 16x squared and 3x squared give you 19x squared, and we have 20x minus 12x plus 6x, so give you plus 14x, right? Okay, and then of course negative 15, so negative 30. That's all, right? Simple. Okay, we go to number 13. Number 13 is you have to do a cross method, right, in order to factorize it. Okay, so okay, let's do the cross. 1, so you put 1 here, negative 12x squared, put here negative 12x squared. The result of our cross multiplication must give you negative x. 1, what can we do with 1 and 1? Negative 12x squared, we can put this as 3x and 4x. When we cross this, 1 times 3 is negative 3x, positive 3x. This one we cross, we get 4x, but we need negative x, right? So we give the bigger one a negative value. Alright, the negative symbol there. Alright, so positive 3x multiplied by negative 4x give you negative 12x squared, and after that when you cross multiply you get 3x here, minus 4x give you negative x. Done deal. Okay, so our factorization will be 1 plus 3x and 1 minus 4x. That's all, folks. Okay, simple. Alright, question 14. Same thing. Okay, we do the cross, right? We have 15 positive, and we have negative 14a squared, right? So we put here negative 14a squared, and the result is positive 29a. Okay, let's try this. Okay, 15 we can use 3 and 5, right? And 14 we can use 7 and 2, right? A and a give you a squared, right? Which one to be negative? Let's try to cross them first before we decide which one should be given the negative value. Alright, so 5 times positive 7a give you 35a, and 3 times 2 6a, right? 3 times 2a 6a, and obviously when you minus 6a you get positive 29a, so the negative must go to 2a, right? So done deal, right? Very easy. So what we have is 3 plus 7a and 5 minus 2a. That's all, folks. Easy, isn't it? Right? Okay, let's try number 15. Number 15 is interesting. We have we know that we have common things, b a squared, then we have another 5ab, and then 6b. There are too many b's, so get rid of it. Alright, factorize it first, remove it. So we have take out a b, so we have a squared and plus 5a and minus 6. That's more like it, isn't it? Yeah, and from there we're going to factorize whatever inside the bracket there. Okay, so yeah, so what we do, going to do the same thing. So we have a squared, right, and we have negative 6 here. Okay, the result must be 5a, right? Put 5a here, right? Okay, just for precautionary measures, remove the whatever that I wrote here, so your teacher must not see all this messiness. Okay, alright, a squared, so we have a and a, we have 6, then we have 5a, right? So I think it's better to put 6 and 1. Can we try 6 and 1 rather than 3 and 2? You can try 3 and 2, but I don't think you can get the answer, right? When you cross multiply, you get 6a, and a times 1 is a, and you need a positive 5a, so the small one negative you give to negative 1, right? You make the 1 here to be negative 1, right? So what we have is yeah, we have 6a minus a, you get 5a, right? So your b bracket a plus 6 and a minus 1. That's all, folks. Easily done. Yep. Okay, let's go to question 16. Question 16 is slightly more challenging, I would say, right? Because we're required to factorize 4a squared plus 7a plus 3. Okay, and then after that we're going to use those answer, the factorized form, to find all the factors of 473 and the exact value of 4 bracket 99 squared plus 7 bracket 99 plus 3. If, let's say, just in case you cannot see, you see there's a 4 here, so there's a 4, there's a 7, and there's a 3. Goodness. And if they give us this, it's the same as 4a squared, something similar, isn't it? 7a plus 3. That means what? Your a here is equal to 99, isn't it? Yeah. But before we proceed all this, right, the hint there is it hence. That means, like it or not, you must factorize the expression first, right? Then we can appreciate what's going on. Yeah. Okay. Let's go back to our whiteboard, white chalk rather. Okay. It's not chalk. It's the electronic things, right? Software engineering. Yeah. Anyway, right. Let's factorize 4a squared. Right, this is part A, plus 7a plus 3. How are we going to factorize it? Let's put a nice line there because the space is kind of limited. Okay, you have 4a squared here and then plus 3. The answer must be 7a, right? Okay, 4a squared, what can we do? Can we put a and 4a, right? A and 4a give you 4a squared. 3, let's try 1 and 3. Okay, so when we cross multiply, we get 4a here. We have cross multiply, we have 3a here. The sum is 7a. Just nice, beautiful. So what we have is a plus 1, right? And 4a plus 3. Beautiful. This is the factorized form of your expression of 4a squared plus 7a plus 3, right? So what we have, and then we are required to find all the factors of 473. Okay, so 473. What else? 473 is what? Well, we can put 400 plus 70 plus 3. Why I do this? Well, I have 4, I have 7, and I have 3. Right? I have 4 here, 7, and 3. That's why I decided, yeah, why not? We give it a shot. Yeah. So what we have is equal to make 100. It means 4 multiplied by 10 square, isn't it? Because 10 square is 100. 100 multiplied by 4 is 400. Done deal. And then 7 multiplied by 10 also. 10 plus 3. Same thing right here. It means my A is equal to 10, isn't it? Yeah. Therefore, I can use my factorized form. Where's my factorized form? This is the one, right? I'll show you. This is the one. The red box there. Right? So, from there, I can use my red box. Right? So, based on my red box is what? Is A plus 1. My A is 10. So, 10 plus 1 plus, bracket 4A. Let me erase this one. Huh? We just have whatever inside here, the red box, right? We already know that A is my 10, right? Okay? Alright? Based on this, the original expression, and this, the red box, is the factorized expression, right? So 4A means 4 times 10, right? So 4 times 10, and then plus 3. Beautiful. So what I have 10 plus 1 is 11, isn't it? Yeah. And then 4 times 10 is 40, plus 3 is 43. Ha ha ha. That means what? Therefore, the factors of 473 are, ta-da, what are they? Obviously 1, and then of course we have 11 and 43. Right, 43, and of course the last one is 473 lah, huh? Just give them. Alright, 473, the original number. Right, that's all. Simple. And the second part is the exact value of 4 bracket 99 square plus 7 plus 7 bracket 99 plus 3. Right, so simple thing, same, everything same. Alright, so 4 bracket 99 square plus 7 bracket 99 plus 3. This is the same expression as we had beforehand, correct? No? The original expression here, correct? 4a squared plus 7x plus 3. Yeah, if you cannot see, let's do the yellow box. Okay, the yellow. Alright, okay, alright. So what I can do, we use the same the factorized form, the one in the red box here. Alright, so a plus 1. What is a? A is 99, isn't it? 99 plus 1, then bracket 4 times a is 99, so 4 times 99, and then plus 3. That's all. Okay, so equal to 99 plus 1 is 100. Alright, and 4 times 99 plus 3 is 399. Therefore, multiply by 100 give you 39,900. Okay, 39,900. So cute, isn't it? Very simple, very simple. Alright. Okay, let's look at number 17, where you got to factorize 2x squared plus 9x plus 9, and hence use the result to find the find two factors of 20,909. Looks big. So same thing, we factorize it as per normal. Right? Okay, we factorize it. Okay, let's do the cross multiply. 2x squared and then plus 9 put here. The answer must be 9x. 2x squared is what? Well, 2x and x. Right? 9, we can always put 3 and 3. Let's try whether we can solve this or not. When we cross, we get 3x here. 2x times 3 give you 6x. The sum is 9x. Just nice, beautiful. Everything is positive, no big deal. Alright, so my 2x squared plus 9x plus 9 equal to 2x squared, 2x plus 3, sorry, right? 2x plus 3. Okay, and then bracket the bottom one is x plus 3. Done deal. Okay, now we're going to use our result here to find the factors of 20,909. Okay, let's try 20,909. Can we make it similar to this? We have 2, we have 9, we have 9. Looks familiar, isn't it? Looks beautiful numbers, right? There's a 2 here, there's a 9, there's a 9. Alright? So we're going to play with this number. Well, we have 20,000. Right? Plus 900 and plus 9. Why I put plus 9 at the end? Because my last is 9 also, isn't it? Yeah? Yeah. Okay, so what we can do, that means what? That means my x, most probably my x here, right? In this case will be x is 100, right? Yeah. So that means same thing as that means what? 2 bracket 2x squared, isn't it? Our expression, our normal original expression is 2x squared plus 9x plus 9, right? So if x is 100, that means 2 bracket 100 bracket square plus 9 multiplied by 100 plus 9, correct? It's the same expression as this, correct? And then the original one also the same, correct? That means we can use the factorized form. Yeah, factorized form, right? So equal to what? This one will be 2x, 2x plus 3. So 2 bracket x is 100 plus 3, okay? And then plus, there's a x there, so 100 plus 3, right? Beautiful. And here we have 2 times 100, so 200, 203. So 203 multiplied by 103, right? 100 plus 3, 103. Therefore, the two factors, right, of 20,909 are 203 and 103. Nice. Simple, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, let's look at number 18. Alright, let's do number 18. By factorizing the expression of 6a squared plus 8a plus 2, 6a squared plus 8a plus 2, find the prime factors of 682. Okay, no choice. We use the simple once and for all, the cross method, right? Our very useful method here. 6a squared and then plus 2 put here, and the answer must be 8a, right? So 6a squared, we can put 2a and 3a, give you 6a squared. 2 we can put 2 and 2. When we cross here, we get 6a. When we cross to the bottom here, 2a times 1 is 2a, so the sum is 8a, just nice. So what we have is our 6a squared plus 8a plus 2 will be equal to 2a plus 2 bracket 3a plus 1. Okay, so we see it, there's 2 and 2, we can still remove the 2, factorize it, right? Okay, so a plus 1, right? And 3a plus 1. Okay, simple. And we know that 682, let me change color so you can see the difference, right? So 682, you can see the 6, the 8 and the 2 here, right? So 682, we can do it like 600 plus 80 and then plus 2. Okay, but 2 here and 2, that's the hint, huh? Alright. Okay, that means what? That means our, so this one will be 10, isn't it? Our a is 10 squared plus 8 times 10 plus 2. Simple, right? And of course we can use the factorized form, right? Factorized form here. Okay, right? So we have 2 bracket a plus 10, right? Our a here is 10, right? So 10 plus 1, and then we have 3a, so 3 times 10, right, plus 1, close bracket. What we have is 2 times 11, right, and multiplied by 31, right? That will give you the prime factors. That means therefore the prime factors of 682 are 2, 11 and 31. Okay, interesting, right? Okay, good, cool. Let's go to the number 19, right? We are required to factorize 3a squared plus 10a plus 8 and use the answer to choose a suitable value of a, and hence evaluate 102 multiplied by 304. Okay, we use the factorize cross method, right? Okay, we have 3a squared and plus 8 here. Okay, and the answer must be 10a, isn't it? 10a. So 3a squared, we can put 3a and a. 8 we can put 2 and 4, no harm. So 3 times 4 is 12a. 8 and 2 will give you 2a. Can we have this? We need 10a. One of them has been negative, so I don't think this one can work, right? So we have to use another way of factorizing them, right? Okay, alright, let's erase this. Let's see what we can do. Alright, we can do 4 and 2. Let's try 4 and 2. Right, 4 and 2. 4 and a and 4 will give you 4a. 3a times 2 is 6a. So the summation is 10a. All positive. Done. Nice. Beautiful. So don't worry if you mix up, right? You can always find the solution. Just find the correct factorization, the factors of it. You can get it, right? That means what? That means your 3a squared plus 10a plus 8, that will give you 3a plus 4 and a plus 2, right? That means okay, that's the factorized form, and use the answer to choose a suitable value of a, and hence evaluate 102 multiplied by 304. Okay, 102 multiplied by 304. What can we do? Well, 102 is 100 plus 2, and 304 is 300 plus 4. Can do you see anything similar to this? If you see carefully, your a here is 100, isn't it so? Yeah, cool, eh? Yeah, hence a equal to 100. That means 102 multiplied by 304, right, equal to, we can use exactly the same as this one, right, and factorize form, right? So it means what? 3 bracket 100 square plus 10 bracket 100 plus 8. This is from the original version, right? All this, yeah, exactly the same thing, isn't it, as the one on top, the one that they gave us originally, right? So it's this one equal to 3 times 100 will give you 30,000, right? 3 times 100 square, yeah, so it's 30,000 plus 1,000. 10 times 100 is 1,000, right, plus 8. That means the answer is 31,008. Interesting, yeah, interesting, beautiful, very beautiful. Okay, let's go to the last question. Number 20. We are required to factorize 12a squared plus 11a plus 2 completely, hence deduce the largest prime factors of 1312. Alright, let's do our prime factorization, our cross method. Okay, we cross method first. So we have 12a squared, yeah, and we have 2, and the answer must be 11a, right? 12a squared, we can put 3a and 4a. Let's try, huh? And 2 is 2 and 1. 4a times 2 give you 8a. 3a times 1 is 3a. 8a plus 3a is 11a. Okay, beautiful, just nice, right? Therefore your 12a squared plus 11a plus 2 will give you 3a plus 2, right? 3 plus 2 and 4a plus 1, right? 4a plus 1. Okay, we have factorized it completely, and we have to deduce the largest prime factor of 1312. Alright guys, let's try to do this. 1312 is what? Well, we can put 1000, obviously 1312, isn't it? So 1000 plus 300 and plus 12. Remember, right? Plus 12. Okay? Plus 12. Okay? Okay, so what we can do here? We can put 12 multiplied by 10 squared, right? Okay, plus 11 times 10 plus 2. You know why I do this? Because 11 times 10, right? Firstly, this one will give you 1200, right? 1200. 11 times 10 give you 11 10 110, and then of course plus 2, this one will still give you 1312. Still same answer, isn't it? Yeah. Alright, cool. Okay, so what we have here, I use a yellow here. What we have here, same thing, right? From our original, right? This yellow box here. Okay, I push it down here to make you see that we can put 3 bracket 10 plus 2. Okay, alright, then bracket 4 bracket 10 plus 1. Okay, so that will give you 32, right, multiplied by 41. Therefore, the largest prime factor of 1312 is obviously 41. Simple, isn't it? Yeah, cool, nice. Alright guys, this is the last question of our part 2 in our topic on expansion and factorization of quadratic expression. I hope you enjoyed. Yeah, and of course, as you know, mathematics is all about practice and practice and practice, right? It's going to be fun, don't worry. Okay, enjoy this. Thank you, stay safe, good day. Thank you, bye bye, take care.